Hi Tigers. I'm so sad that I couldn't be with you today because I know that all of you are just so excited because of yesterday. We had lots of visitors in the campus, and I know Symposium. We've worked so hard to prepare for this, and I'm here at Symposium, and I am missing all of you, but one thing that I wanted you to know about, I can't tell you how many people just today have approached me and said, oh, that's right, you were that school. That school, you were the school where all of the kids could talk about their data, where every child we talked to had goals and understood them. It was internalized. It wasn't just a show. Teachers, I just can't tell you, teachers and staff, everybody had a role yesterday. I can't tell you how proud I am of you. You know, I have a hard time with crying, so I'm not going to do that. You all, what you have done, Stephen Covey says that first you have to understand and recognize your own greatness before you can see the greatness in others. And I do believe that you all are beginning to see just how great you are, because you're now showing it in your kids, and it's showing up in your kids. They are shining, you are shining. I'm so proud of you.